So I'm in the Revit. Let me get this out of the way. And I'm taking everything apart from here because I just want to check the blower over there, or the flap, whatever they call it, to make sure it's opening and closing on the recirculation. But in order to get all this or that out, there's a screw down here, right there, that I just took off, so that because this comes out with everything out. Now let me show you here. Where is the okay, top cover? The top cover that's under there, it's got these flaps in here, so it just pulls down. But I wasn't sure, so I took everything off here. Not a big deal. This just pops up, and then you have the what do you call it? The switch here, and then the 12 volt right there. That's what these two are. You just gotta put the key in, put this back, so it'll give you more room to take it out. But that's what that looks like in there. And so you see this piece is part of the this whole piece. So I need to move all this in order to look in there and turn it on and just make sure that flap completely closes, or if it doesn't. The reason I'm checking that is because that vent is blowing a lot of air, and these don't. They do blow, but it's not as much as that one. So I just want to make sure that flap is working, because when I hit it, it kind of changes, but it doesn't feel like it might be working too well. So I just want to check that because I don't have any error codes or anything. So that's what I'm doing, and I want to show you something. In order to get in here, that won't fit down here, so you need either separate Allen or Torx. In this case, this is a T20, or in this case I use the Icon 30 to get in here, and that allowed me to do that. So that's where you need this tiny tools, because there's not enough space to get in here, or for that screw. So let me keep going and see if I can get that out. Alright, continuing with the video. So you can see this, it's behind that, so you just pull that. This comes off. I already took the 3 screws on top and 3 on the bottom. And there's another one here. And then it should come right out, I think. Oh wait, before I do that, let me unplug the light here. I don't want to break this. There we go. Battery is still on, but I'm not doing anything electrical, just trying to get this thing out. Okay, now I already took that, so let me see. Yeah, there's no more screws. Just gotta come out of this side. There we go. There. That's so weird. Is that broken, or is that like that? I think that's how it is. Nope, might be broken. And no, I didn't break it. Looks like it's already been broken. Oops, there's another light down here. So let me get that. And there it is. Nothing to it, so it's just a big piece of plastic. Nice. And now I can see the flap right there, so I'm gonna turn the car on, see if that works. Oh, there's this hose that's on there, so I don't want to forget that later on. But right now I just wanted to have access to that and make sure that's moving. If not, I know that motor is bad or whatever, but that looks fine. But anyway, so at least now I know how to take this off. The reason I wanted to do that too is because this is missing a lock in here. I did get one, but I just haven't gotten around to trying to put it on there. That looks like it's working fine. Perfectly fine. Where's it going in here? Oh, I thought I would hear something, but I'm not hearing anything. It's nice and smooth. Trying to see if there's any dirt on the fan or the yeah, that fan in there. Okay, turn it off. That's going. That's working. So there's no problem there. Turn it off. Leave it open. So I look in here. Do we have any dirt? Get some more light in here. Can't tell what that is. Okay, that's just all the bottom there. But everything sounds good. So I gotta figure out why is it not going onto the other vents. Well, I'll keep looking.